the front of it, it's got a little tag here.
Oh, no kidding?
Because that's my smell-proof bag that apparently didn't work, right?
Vehicle.
What?
Turn around. You know what time it is. Mushrooms, money. So what's going to happen is you're going to be placed under arrest for the drug trafficking, not drug trafficking.
What?
But
What? Oh my god.
A routine stop for following too closely, and a conversation that slowly unravels into a massive federal nightmare. What started as a simple verbal warning for traffic distance quickly transformed into a high-stakes search, exposing illicit substances, illegal mushrooms, and severe felony charges that could alter lives forever.
Hi.
how y'all doing?
Sure.
I'm doing okay.
Hey, nothing major. The reason I'm stopping you, when you passed me, you're following that semi. You were a little bit close. So you were less than like.
That's because he was going so slow. All of a
Yeah.
sudden, he pulled in front of me.
Yeah.
And then there was a truck behind me. So I had to slow down.
Yeah, we're going to Chicago to go see my parents.
Oh, right on.
So we're in a hurry.
I gotcha. Yeah, so we've been having a lot of issues with the distance in semis. So in Illinois, you have to follow the safe distance. You're at
Okay.
about 2 car lengths.
Oh.
Probably could fit fast.
Super
I'm
sorry.
so sorry.
You're good. You got your license, Ben?
I do.
It begins innocently enough. An officer pulls over a vehicle for following a semi-truck too closely on the highway. The driver remains polite, offering a quick explanation about heavy traffic and changing lanes, keeping the initial tone calm and cooperative.
There you go.
Thank you. And then you got insurance to the vehicle?
I'm in the process of getting it all turned over. I just got this car,
Okay.
and I don't have insurance right now.
Understand.
I'm in the process of getting all that. We're actually going to get money from his family because life has been really tough, and we need money
Been out of the house
get.
the last week with
hear
the
you.
sewers.
Yeah, so
I gotcha.
we're actually going there to get some cash to help us out to get
You
insurance.
said you're going to Chicago?
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
On our way?
On our way to there right
Literally.
now. Yeah.
Getting on the highway.
Yeah. Because I
Literally
I
just typed
yeah.
in GPS.
What? This is 159 though, is what I'm saying.
No, I was going to get gas.
Oh, I gotcha.
there.
Right on.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I was turning around to get gas.
When pressed for basic documentation, the situation starts to show its first cracks. The driver admits to having no active auto insurance, claiming she recently acquired the vehicle and is traveling to collect cash from family. To process her information smoothly, the officer politely asks her to step back to his patrol car, a standard tactical procedure to separate parties and run routine checks.
I'm just going to have you come back with me real quick, just because you're from Missouri. I need to type in your information. If everything's good with your license, it's going to be a warning for the reason why I stopped you. No court, no fine. Yeah, I'm just going to make sure you don't get hit by a car.
Yeah, please.
Thank you. Can I just check your purse quick?
Yeah,
Thank you.
absolutely.
Appreciate it. And again, nothing other than the marijuana, right?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay.
No.
And that's in the back.
Yeah, we don't do anything other than that.
Okay. Thank you. Guns, drugs,
No,
nothing.
God, no. I'm a cop's kid. Like
I know. I hear you. Yeah, I appreciate the cooperation.
I mean, yeah, those are my medication. That's got my name on there.
There, sweet, perfect. Thank you.
He's probably thinking I'm going to get arrested.
No, you're fine.
He's probably freaking out. There,
I'll
we're going
explain.
to tell him everything's okay.
No, I'll go tell him.
Okay.
He's gonna be coming out here too.
He's probably like, oh my god.
It's all good.
Yeah, because like, did you see my little thing on the front of it?
What you got?
It says come back with a warrant.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. On the front of it, it's got a little tag here.
Oh, no kidding.
Because that's my smell-proof bag that apparently didn't work, right?
Yeah. I gotcha.
Inside the patrol unit, the atmosphere seems relaxed, but subtle red flags begin to emerge. While the driver insists her father is in law enforcement and agrees to a quick consent search of her purse, she casually drops a crucial detail, pointing out a smell-proof bag inside the vehicle tagged with a legal disclaimer.
Hey, boss man, stop out here quick.
Yeah.
Hey, so here's the deal. In Illinois, the little bit of weed in here, I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
She's gonna have to package it differently, okay? Nothing illegal on you?
Nope.
Nothing illegal in the car?
Nope.
No weapons, guns, nothing like that? So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna search the car, make sure everything's good.
Okay.
She's gonna be issued a warning, no court, no fine. And I'll get you guys on your way back to Chicago.
Okay.
If there's anything illegal in there, honesty with me goes a long way.
Okay.
They know we have weed.
I'm not worried about weed as long as it's not like a pound.
Yeah.
All right, sweet man. Just mind hanging out right back there? Can I see your waistband real quick? Here, just right here, front. No guns?
No.
Okay, thanks, man. Just hang out here quick.
The officer approaches the male passenger to conduct a visual safety check and explain the situation. The couple openly admits to having a small amount of marijuana in the car, something relatively minor under state regulation, hoping that honesty will keep the interaction light and limited to a simple warning.
Okay. Here's where the rubber meets the road. I don't want to be poked with a needle, okay?
Oh, no, there's no.
Hold on, let me hear me out here. Through my training experience, Suboxone usually means sometimes heroin. Not accusing of anybody in anything.
That's from the pain pills I told you
Okay.
about for 15 years.
I just don't want to be straight up with you. I don't want to be poked.
I take Suboxone because I was addicted
Then
to
that's fine.
15 years ago.
I just don't want to be poked. So I ask everybody the same thing.
I've never done heroin in my life.
Again, I'm not accusing you. I don't want to just
I'm
be
just
poked.
letting you know
Okay.
that it's from
That's fine.
having 17 surgeries and getting addicted to pain pills.
Ma'am, I just need to know that I'm not getting poked, okay?
There's nothing to be poked from.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna...
Sir.
Yep.
Please, I'm begging you.
Ask yourself, was this total honesty or a strategic attempt to minimize a much larger issue? As the officer begins a broader search of the vehicle, the driver's composure rapidly dissolves into desperation, pleading with the officer while referencing dinner reservations and personal medical histories.
Reservations with my mom for
Brother, hey, time out. You're lucky you're not getting a felony right now. So I'm being very cool with you guys because I can easily throw you guys both in cuffs and go from the amount of marijuana in there. So I would cool it with the reservations. I would call Maggios or whatever back and probably tell them you're going to be a little bit late. Do you have a prescription for the Suboxone?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, awesome. That's perfect. Thank you. Flip around, man. You wait there. Put your hands in the vehicle. Turn around. You know what time it is. Mushrooms, money.
The legal dynamics shift instantly. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, a typical roadside detention is temporary and non-coercive. However, once an officer establishes independent probable cause or receives valid consent, the scope of a traffic stop expands legally from a simple infraction inquiry to a full vehicle search under the automobile exception.
Come on, I'll show them to you in a second. Cuff her up too. You guys are both placed under arrest for possession of controlled substance. Show you in a second. Hang out there for me, brother. Come right here.
There is multiple alert for history of assault, dangerous drugs, and
These are mushrooms? Yeah. 527. I'll have both. 95. Can you print both criminal history, please? Anything illegal on you?
As officers probe deeper into the vehicle's interior, the search uncovers far more than personal use marijuana. Packaged paraphernalia, prescription-controlled substances without proper labeling, and hallucinogenic mushrooms are pulled from the cabin, immediately elevating a minor stop into a serious criminal investigation.
95-1005.
Can you advise any prior history of drug trafficking?
This is so bad. This is so bad.
Okay, it might not be, but it's in your bag with your stuff. There's a lot of drugs in that car, man. Ma'am, I'll talk to you about it here in a little bit.
Oh my gosh, please.
I'm just simply explaining what's going on. We're in Illinois, so it's not a huge deal. What's going to happen is you're going to get booked and released.
Snippet 08. 66supremejustia.com laces federal. Deuces 475106. Both individuals are placed under formal arrest. Under California v. Cirallo and broader Fourth Amendment jurisprudence, contraband discovered in plain view or during a lawful search framework legally justifies immediate physical custody. What was framed as a simple road trip now transitions directly into formal booking procedures.
Your car's going to get towed, unfortunately, by Terry, and because I have to, you're not going to be, hey, listen, you guys are not going to jail. You're going to be, nothing legal on you, brother? Heroin, nothing? No. Okay, you got Q-tips in your pockets.
Oh, no, I'm worried about people.
I got you. I'm not trying to be a dick, I'm just trying to explain what happened. So what's going to happen is you're going to be placed under arrest for the drug trafficking, not drug trafficking. But
What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
527. No, I was just asking. This is something I have to do.
I know, God, no.
Back at the patrol vehicle, reality sets in. The officer explains the upcoming procedures, towing the vehicle, processing evidence, and running comprehensive criminal histories. Despite the officer's calm demeanor, the severe weight of drug possession and potential trafficking charges begins to hit the suspects.
Okay, I understand. And you're going to be on your way pretty quickly.
Yeah, I'm actually.
Not a huge deal. We'll get you on your way pretty quickly. Separate tree form then.
A third alarm.
Got out. Like, get out.
Motion. Or area of the alarm is going to be zone 15 showroom motion.
Where's Ben?
10-4.
Separate trees. Why does it go for me? Wider. Thank you.
Them.
Because the law draws a firm line between personal possession and commercial distribution. The quantity, packaging, and mix of scheduled controlled substances are critical factors that prosecutors evaluate when determining whether to file basic felony charges or aggravated trafficking offenses.
You're so innocent, I swear we don't do anything wrong.
We can't have mushrooms. It's illegal.
But is there?
Again, we'll just discuss. It's not a huge deal. Trust me.
Like, I didn't pack anything.
So that's fine. And I can read you your rights back at post. And if you want to talk to me about it, everything in this car is going to be audio and video recorded. So just avoid saying anything. And like I said, if you want to talk to me a little bit later, certainly can do that. Ma'am, I'll have you sit in the back of mine. Everything in this car is audio and video recorded.
Sitting in the back of the squad car, the suspects realize every word is being recorded by body-worn and dash cameras. The officer explicitly advises them to remain silent, highlighting how casual statements made during roadside detentions frequently become primary evidence inside a courtroom. The final question remains: was this encounter pure bad luck on the highway or the predictable legal result of carrying illicit contraband across state lines? This is where the criminal justice process truly begins. Facing multiple felony counts, including possession of substances, Schedule I and II, and potential intent to distribute, the legal repercussions are immense. A prosecution strategy will focus on the total weight of the seized narcotics, the presence of unlabeled prescription pills, and interstate transport. Depending on prior criminal records, convictions on these charges carry potential multi-year prison sentences, heavy court fines, permanent criminal records, and mandatory asset forfeiture of the vehicle used in the incident. Because when roadside consent is granted, the evidence speaks for itself. This incident highlights how quickly a routine traffic interaction can escalate into life-altering felony charges. While the officers maintained a calm and controlled demeanor throughout the encounter, the discovery of scheduled drugs completely altered the legal landscape. Ultimately, roadside excuses carry no weight in court. The legal system evaluates only the evidence, procedural compliance, and the letter of the law.